everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. This is the November month or the Kartik month as per the Indian solar lunar calendar. This month has a very special significance in terms of children and parenting. Before we go at the significance of this month, a very happy Thirukarthigai to all our viewers. Today is also the birthday of the first Guru of Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh's birthday. So it's a very great day to start a video on children and their learning. Alright, so history says that Lord Muruga was born from the third eye of Shiva. The seed was so hot that even Lord Agni couldn't hold it. So they had to place the fire in the Ganga river. Then came the 6 Kirtiga sisters. The Kirtiga sisters were so loving, caring and nurturing that the fiery child became calm and soothing to everyone. So in order to honor their parenting skills, the entire Kartik month is dedicated towards them. Not just that, every 27 days in the Indian Panchang, we have one day to honor the Kirtika sisters, which is called Kirtigai. So this is a day exclusively dedicated to them for their devotion towards Lord Muruga, their parenting skills, their nurturing abilities and their love for the baby. Now, coming to children, the age 0 to 3 is also called as a golden period. So this is the period in which the child's mind is in the theta state, or it is like a sponge. It absorbs anything what it sees, hears, feels, and it is able to grow its conscience in this golden period of its lifetime. So now, what does a child expect and what we are giving the child? Every woman, every mother or every parent wants to give their best to their child. But is that what the child needs? Let us think about it. The moment a child is born, the parents want to give it the best pediatrician. We go to the pediatrician, we go to the dietitian, nutritionalist, and we get the diet chart or the nutrition chart. We plan a routine. When the child has to wake up, every 2 hours we have to do some feeding, how much the weight has to increase. So everything is parameterized and there is so much of objectivity. So that system was not there in the ancient days. In the ancient days, mothers used to have their intuition. They used to read signs and signals given by the child, and using this as the feedback from the child, they used to develop understanding and bonding with their child and give the necessary things, whether it is food, whether it is their sleep timings. Everything was based on what the child needs. So there is always a learning that happens by the mother, a learning that happens by the father with the help of their child. And if you go even deeper into the spiritual sciences, child is nothing but your own inner healing that is required to happen, or your own inner transformation that is required, which the child helps in bringing within you. So hence, this golden period is a very important period both in the child's life and in the parent's life. It helps in transforming you and helps you in your inner liberation. The Kritika sisters found liberation in parenting Lord Muruga. So they attained the status of a nakshatra. And even now, Kritika is a star or a nakshatra which you can see in the cosmos. So that is the essence of the November month, and how parenting was done in the ancient times. Please keep watching more in this series of Money Glowing Gems to know more. Thank you so much.